AquaFutures Review 2025. Is this investment platform worth it? AquaFutures promises easy investment in water-related assets in 2025, but is it worth your money? The platform offers stocks, ETFs and futures focused on water infrastructure, utilities and sustainability projects. Most people get this wrong. They assume niche investing is risky or limited, but AquaFutures provides research, analytics and portfolio management tools for informed decisions. You won't believe what happens next. You can diversify across regions, sectors and asset types without leaving the platform. Account setup is straightforward, with quick verification and funding options via bank transfer or debit card. Fees are competitive compared to traditional brokers, and the interface is designed for both beginners and experienced investors. Risks remain. Water-related assets can be volatile and returns depend on market conditions. However, AquaFutures provides educational resources to help investors understand trends and risks. So, is it worth it? For investors interested in sustainable, niche markets with growth potential, AquaFutures is a strong option. For conservative portfolios, traditional diversified investments may still be safer. The surprising truth is that niche investment platforms like AquaFutures allow everyday investors to access specialized markets once reserved for institutions, opening new opportunities, but only if you understand the risks.